Part 1 of 2. We have not focused specifically on the word healing. This is because being human automatically implies needing to heal a vast array of physical and emotional trauma. It's part of the human package. We have not separated out being human from needing to be healed. This is what you find in the world's healthcare systems. They seek healing of the body or healing of the mind, but they don't seek to heal the separation between the human and the divine because they don't know about it. All symptoms of all diseases are simply products of the separation. We have sought to address the cause rather than the effects. We don't want to pray for healing unless we understand the cause of the problem in the first place. You can say, and you would be quite right in saying, that all problems of all types, whether it's a disease or feeling stuck in a situation and experiencing suffering, are symptoms of being human and being limited to ego and the brain's perceptions. As humans evolve away from exclusive humanity to a hybrid model of both human and divine, Christ awareness and Christ consciousness, there is less need for the healing of symptoms. Finally, at the Christ manifestation end stage, there is no need for healing per se, because there is only wholeness. Everything has already been healed. Once whole, once the heart and mind are merged, then Christ is ready to model wholeness and offer blessings to alleviate suffering on the human journey through the modality of the 10 powers of Christ. With love, Rami. The 10 powers of Christ. 1. The power to alter the course of another aspect of yourself. 2. The power to stop suffering. 3. The power to alleviate need. 4. The power to grant wishes and desires. 5. The power to enhance. 6. The power to change situations and outcomes. 7. The power to know and trust. 8. The power to explore. 9. The power to invest. 10. The power to manifest.